Hi guys, I'm Thobile Dhlangamandhla and I'm the founder of Bathobile's Bookkeeping Services. We are located at Emalahleni as Nambeni. Our services include bookkeeping, accounting, taxation, payroll, and business admin. I'm a township child who was born and raised here in Malahleni, and seeing that most businesses have closed down due to cash flow, I decided to use my passion for figures and balancing books to help grow and open up doors for businesses in townships. People must use our services because we're trying to change the standard of living in townships by creating employment, and by that we need to open up businesses as we see that the workforce is currently struggling and it's straining our economy. So by using our services we get to open up more businesses which will create employment and change a lot of standard of living in communities. You can access Bathobile's bookkeeping services on our Facebook page, which is Bathobile's Bookkeeping Services. Our Instagram page is Bathobile/BBS, and also on WhatsApp at 068 014 3936. Hi guys, my name is Thobile Dhlangamandhla and I am a township entrepreneur.